Hello, and welcome to OpenField. In this video, we will show you how to create a search. Create Search is a powerful tool for segmenting the data in your OpenField garden using various data points. Those searches can be saved and turned into specialized lists for more focused canvassing. Please note, this video is a very basic introduction to creating searches in OpenField. The Create Search article in the OpenField Help Center offers several additional tips and tricks for creating searches that this video will not mention. We recommend using the video in tandem with the article for the best results when creating searches. Click on the burger bar menu, then click Create Search. The left side of the Create Search page contains drop-down menus with the available search criteria, a space to choose whether the current step adds, removes, or narrows contacts, and a place to save the current step. On the right side of the page, you'll see all the steps you've added to a search, a button to run counts for the current search, a Run Search button, which will send this search to the saved search screen, and a toggle to turn on Run Counts automatically. The Run Counts automatically toggle starts in the off position, as it takes longer between steps for the counts to update. This screen also displays counts from any current steps after clicking the Run Counts button. The person icon represents individual contacts. The door icon represents how many doors or homes can be canvassed. The phone icon represents how many phone numbers you can call, and the mail icon represents how many emails are available. Searches are made up of steps layered to get your desired contact list. You will always start your search with an add step. You can add more folks, narrow them down, and/or remove them from there. An add step will add all data matching the given criteria to search counts. A remove step will remove all data matching the given criteria from search counts. And a narrow step narrows down the search counts to only the data that matches the given criteria. You can also add multiple criteria to a single step. Before saving, select all the criteria from each field you want to cover. Please note, if a field shows a blue loading wheel, the data for that field is loading. Clicking on any of these criteria dropdowns will show you more options related to that category, and clicking a blue field will open a window where you can make selections. Several of these fields will also allow for multiple selections. Click the checkboxes next to your choices, then click Select. Under Addresses, you'll see options related to state, city, county, and zip code. The Attempts category contains fields such as canvas statuses, the canvasser who recorded the contact attempt, etc. There is also an area to select a specific time range for the results. The Conversations tab contains categories related to completed conversations where an organizer made contact and recorded responses in the OpenField app. Districts and Geographies contains political districts and common geographies, such as congressional districts, city councils, precincts, school boards, and more. The Lists category allows you to add other existing lists to your search. This includes lists created from saved searches or created when using the importer. The People section contains information about the contacts and voters in your garden, such as age, political party, pronouns, sex, and race. The Statuses in the Phones field are populated by what your canvassers record about contacts. It is not data loaded into your garden from a data file. Under Vote History, you can specify previous voting records for the folks in your search. Voter Status includes fields for registration start and end date, status, and whether or not the voter is deceased, restricted, or a permanent absentee voter. Model Scores will include candidate support scores, ideology scores, pro-choice scores, and more. Not all scores are available in all gardens. Once you have added all necessary criteria to a step, click the Save Step button. The step will be added to your search preview, and you'll see the counts update for people, doors, phones, and emails if you click Run Counts or if the Run Counts automatically toggle is switched to on. Please note, bigger searches will take longer to load. Click the Delete icon to the right of any steps you need to delete. Any steps after the deleted step will move up in number. To clear all steps and restart the search process, click Clear under the search preview. Once you have created all your steps, click Run Search at the bottom of the screen to send your saved search to the saved search screen. Click the edit icon that looks like a pencil next to your saved search to give it a name. This helps keep track of your searches and makes it easier to find the right saved search later. The Overview tab contains charts on age, race, and gender distribution, and a geo-clustered map of your data. Clicking the Edit Criteria tab will show you all the steps used to build your search. Clicking Edit Search Criteria will take you back to the Create Search screen, where the search steps will already be populated. Make any necessary edits, then click Run Search again to update the saved search. After a search is saved, it can be turned into a list and used in a conversation code. Click Create List from Search in the top right corner, or click the Launch tab to find the same button. If any lists have already been created using this saved search, they will also appear here. Click Launch to create a new conversation code with this list already attached. Open your burger bar menu and click Lists. Click the checkbox next to the lists you want to delete, then select Delete Selected Lists from the Action dropdown. Then click Go. To export a CSV of all the people in your search, click the Export tab, then Export People. Click Save to begin your export. You'll be taken to a list of all your saved search exports with links to download them. Tap the link under the Upload column to download your exported CSV. If your export status shows as pending, you may need to refresh the page after a few minutes for your export to finish. You can return to your saved search exports from the burger bar menu. Once you've run a search, it will be added to the list of saved searches. To return to it, click Saved Searches from the burger bar menu. This will take you to a list of every search you have ever created in your garden. To view an existing saved search, click the name of the search under the name column. Information for the saved search will appear with a link to return to the saved search screen. A History tab also details any changes made to the search. To edit an existing saved search, click Go to Search from the Saved Searches homepage or next to the landing page within a saved search. You'll be taken back to the saved search screen. From there, you can rename your search or edit the existing parameters. Please note, changing an existing saved search, such as by renaming it or adding or removing steps, will not create a new saved search. It will update the existing saved search. Return to Create Search to make a brand new search if necessary. Thanks for using OpenField. If you have more questions or run into any issues, please email us at support@openfield.ai.